Go.
Really slow with this stuff.
It's not that slow. But use your faster side.
What one? The fastest move?
Yeah. That looks awesome. Hold on. Come into the middle a bit more. I'm gonna try and find a place to put this down. Yeah, okay, come this way. Yeah, perfect there.
Wait.
We'll keep recording like we're doing like past few moves past.
Catch it.
Never happened. We could make like a whole music video out of this.
This is freaking awesome.
I'm gonna try a figure eight, but it's gonna suck.
I actually go real fast, but you go real fast with one I don't. Okay?